Hi everyone! This is another Destash video of Make Market Kits. Okay, you know the drill. I'm going to show you some kits that I'm destashing, and you're going to wait for the video for each individual kit because I'm going to unbox them to show you exactly what comes in the kit and if I'm going to add anything to the kit for you. The prices are purely up to you. Make me an offer plus shipping and the kit will be on the way. I do PayPal, okay? And I'm open to shipping anywhere because you're paying shipping. So let's talk. I need to get rid of these. I've got too many. And I'm not going to work on them, and I know I'm not. So I have too many other ones that I want to work on. So let's take a look. Okay. First, I have the dog. Yep, I have the dog. He's adorable. He's 8 by 10. He's round drills. It's called Collie Dog. And it's got 36 colors in this. 36 colors. Comes with a pen and the frame. And I will unbox this in the future. If this is what you want, send me an email with an offer plus shipping and it's yours. The retail on it is $14.99. I did not pay $14.99. I think I paid $8 or $7.49, something like that. So let me know. That's one. The next one is the tree. This one, the name of it is probably Tree. Yeah. Tree. It is called Tree. It is a full drill. It's a 16 by 20. Don't know if it's round or squares. It's probably round. And it has 42 colors. Isn't that pretty? 42 colors. And this is Tree. This one retailed, I think, for $17.99 or $19.99. I did not pay full price. It's Michael's. You don't ever have to pay full price at Michael's. They always offer a coupon. So, okay, here is this one. Here it is again. This one is a round drill. It is called, I think, Red Truck. No, it's called Red Car. So there it is again, Red Car. I'm actually doing this one. I have 2 of them. I'm doing one for March for Diamonds and Stuff's event. Her husband Neil is hosting it. And this one has 35 colors. And it's a 16 by 20. All the rest are 16 by 20s. Here is Christmas tree, and the name of it is Outdoor Tree. Okay, this is Outdoor Tree. It's square. This one is square gems. And it has 35 colors. 35 colors. Square gems, 16 by 20. The next one is another 16 by 20. And this is Snowman. I think it's called Snowman. Yeah, it is called Snowman. It's a square gem. I'm destashing this one because I have another one, Snowman Family. that I like better, and I'm going to do that one instead of this one. So this is Snowman, square gems. Next one is Paris. This one is full drill, and I'm thinking it's round. It doesn't say, but the thing is circle, but they're all circles. So I believe this one's round, but I will unbox it in one of the videos coming up. 25 colors for Paris. This is a 16 by 20. That's what I have for the Make Market kits. These were $14.99. These were higher. They were like $17.99 because they were not in the holiday collection. These were sold before these came out. So I think Michaels has just lowered their prices, but these were their general diamond paintings. So these were originally $17.99, I believe. But if you know me, I did not pay full price. So make me an offer when the video comes out and you pay shipping and it will be on the way to you. Okay, everybody, you know the drill. Be kind and be nice. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.